Good morning. Well, it's good afternoon. It's after 12 here in Paris.
Me, dead, muerta.
She's
Today.
dead, and we haven't climbed the stairs yet. We just got to Montmartre, and we're gonna climb these steps to go up to Sacre Coeur. I think it's 300 steps to the top. 300 grueling steps. Good afternoon. So, we slept till what? 10:30 because we were up mad late. But you know, it's all good because late start, ease into our day. We don't have to run around. We're not doing tours. We're doing self-tours, so it's all good. But right now, we just got off the metro at Rue de la Pompe. And we're looking for a high-end consignment store that's somewhere around here. There's somebody is looking for a bag. So
If I don't have.
another bag to add to her collection. Hopefully we can find something way up there like Saint Laurent, Gucci, Dior, one of those. almost at the halfway point of our trip, so it was time for some laundry. So I had to come downstairs and use a laundromat. Thank goodness there was one right next door to the hotel. After trying to figure out how these things worked, I finally got our clothes in. So now it's just a waiting game and see how long it takes me to learn how to use the dryers next. Another day in Paris is gone. We did a lot today. Today was like a slow day, but it was a cool day. We went to Le Havre, a mall near the Louvre. Then we went to Notre Dame. And also we started the day off at a motorcycle race. No, at a thrift shop. Actually a consignment shop where we looked around at some expensive bags, and then we came back here. I washed clothes, and then we had some cheese and baguette.
Marie has some wine.
Yeah, and Anna Marie had some wine, not me because I'm non-alcoholic, but we sat by the canal and just watched, people watched, and the toilet is